what I'm doing is I'm using this trowel as a gauge. You know, feeler gauges or maybe spark plug gauges. Well, this is a thin set gauge. I'm applying this much thin set on this substrate. That's what I'm trying to do. So for right now, I'm just trying to get it out, get it everywhere, and then I'm gonna make all my lines in that straight direction. One thing I wanna do is make sure that my trowel is about a 45-degree angle. So let's say that I put right here is a 45-degree angle approximately. Yeah, that's probably pretty close. And then I pull it down here. Now what's my angle? Much less. I mean, maybe 20. So I'm applying less thin set in this location than I am over there. What that's gonna do, it's gonna take our panels, it's gonna like put a little bit of a tip to it so that I have a high spot on one side and a low spot on the other. So it's gonna make it much harder to get our tiles flush. And what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna actually end up bending the tile. So I'm gonna end up pulling down and we're gonna end up with a bow in our panels. We don't want that. We want them to be nice and flat as possible. So I need 2 volunteers to come out here, put thin set on here. We're just gauging it in any direction, an approximately 45-degree angle. I'm also gonna show you a better way of going ahead and troweling once we get this on. So go ahead, there we go.